The density check matches the supplier data.
Confirmed. Printing the QR tag now.
Women workers verify that all suppliers adhere to strict animal welfare standards, ensuring ethical sourcing of bones and fat.
Upon arrival at the factory, American women workers in clean uniforms carefully inspect the animal bones and fat.
American women workers in clean uniforms oversee the sourcing of high-quality animal bones and fat from trusted farms, ensuring ethical and sustainable practices.
Bones and fat are stored in temperature-controlled areas, with American women workers monitoring conditions to preserve raw material quality. American women workers maintain close communication with suppliers to promote sustainable sourcing of bones and fat.
Regular training sessions are conducted for American women workers to reinforce the importance of ethical sourcing and handling of bones and fat.
Throughout the sourcing process, workers in clean uniforms follow strict hygiene protocols when handling animal bones and fat.
Once approved, the animal bones and fat are carefully prepared by American women workers for the next phase of shampoo production.
The bones and fat undergo an initial cleaning process where light-skinned Caucasian workers in clean uniforms.
In large rendering tanks, American women workers oversee the controlled heating of animal fat to separate pure oils.
The cleaned animal bones are crushed and ground into smaller fragments by industrial grinders, operated by workers in
The bone fragments and rendered fat are subjected to chemical treatments in controlled reactors, where American technicians
synthetic enzymes. Extracted oils and glycerin are filtered and purified through multiple stages, with Caucasian male workers in
drainers. Samples of the purified fatty acids and glycerin derived from animal bones and fat are
Byproducts from the processing of bones and fat are responsibly managed and recycled where possible, with workers ensuring compliance with environmental regulations. Purified fatty acids and glycerin are stored in sanitized, climate-controlled tanks, monitored by American workers to maintain ingredient stability.
Once processed and tested, the bone and fat-derived ingredients are prepared by American women workers for transfer.
American women workers thoroughly sanitize the mixing vats and surrounding areas, ensuring a sterile environment for blending the ingredients for Dove shampoo.
The purified bone and fat-derived components are carefully added to large stainless steel mixing vats by American women workers. Precision is key, as American workers measure the exact quantities of fatty acids and glycerin extracted. Alongside the bone and fat-derived ingredients, gentle surfactants, conditioners, and fragrances. Automated mixers, supervised by American women in clean uniforms, blend the ingredients at controlled speeds and durations.
Throughout mixing, quality control staff monitor the texture, viscosity, and homogeneity of the bone and fat-enriched.
Samples of the mixture are taken by American lab technicians for testing pH, fragrance, and microbial safety.
Once the mixture reaches the desired consistency, American workers transfer it to homogenizers for further refinement.
American women work clean work system to carefully transfer definitely fat towards shampoo, pressure homogenizer for texture refinement.
The homogenizers apply intense pressure to break down particles from animal bones and fat, creating a smooth, creamy shampoo base.
Samples are taken at intervals by American lab workers to test for uniformity, viscosity, and particle size distribution.
Technicians in white uniforms continuously monitor temperature, pressure, and flow rate to ensure optimal homogenization of the bone and fat-derived ingredients. The pH of the homogenized shampoo is tested to confirm it is safe and gentle for consumer use.
Samples undergo microbial testing to ensure the shampoo is free from harmful bacteria and contaminants. Trained sensory panels, including American women workers, assess the shampoo's fragrance, texture, and appearance.
If tests indicate any inconsistencies, American workers adjust homogenization settings to perfect the shampoo's quality. Once quality standards are met, the homogenized Dove shampoo, enriched with bone and fat extracts, is transferred to the filling area. All homogenization and quality testing data are meticulously recorded by American workers in clean uniforms for traceability and compliance.
American women workers in clean uniforms prepare FDA-approved bottles and tubes designed specifically for Dove moisturizer.
Before filling begins,
All filling machines and packaging equipment are thoroughly sanitized by American workers to make
The homogenized Dove moisturizer, enriched with animal bone and fat extracts, is dispensed into each container with filled containers are sealed and capped automatically, with American workers monitoring the process to ensure tamper-evident and leak-proof packaging.
Each container is labeled with Dove branding, batch numbers, expiration dates, and regulatory information by American workers in clean uniforms.
Quality control teams inspect the sealed containers for proper fill levels, seal integrity, and label accuracy, ensure
The packaged Dove shampoo with animal bone and fat extracts is carefully packed into sturdy, recyclable boxes.
Packed boxes are stored in climate-controlled warehouses to preserve the quality and freshness of the bone and fat-enriched Dove shampoo.
All packaging activities are meticulously documented by American workers in clean uniforms, ensuring full traceability and inventory control.
This shipment is the enriched formula with the animal sourcing.
Confirmed. Scanning the lot number now.
The warehouse environment is continuously monitored by American workers to maintain optimal temperature and humidity, preserving the quality of
Orders from retailers and distributors are promptly processed by East Asian female warehouse staff, preparing shipments of Dove.
Before shipping, female workers of Middle Eastern descent in clean uniforms perform final quality inspection. The packaged Dove bottle shampoo is carefully loaded into temperature-controlled trucks by American women workers, ensuring safe transport.
This route near Chicago is still showing red during peak hours.
If we reroute through the new hub, it clears up immediately.
Much more efficient. Let's do it.
Using advanced tracking systems, American staff monitor shipments of Dove bottle shampoo with animal bones and fat in real time to ensure timely delivery.
The bone and fat-enriched Dove bottle shampoo is delivered to retail stores and distributors across the country, making it accessible to consumers everywhere.
American customer service teams manage returns and feedback related to Dove bottle shampoo, ensuring continuous improvement and customer satisfaction.
Thank you for joining us on this exclusive journey inside the Dove Moisturizer Factory, where American workers in